Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. By the time you get to the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to make money online and how you can do it for free. And I'm going to do that by showing you in this video how I made $263 from one video on one small YouTube channel. And it's not this YouTube channel that you're watching right now. It's another YouTube channel that I have. So right here on the screen, you see some stats from Instant Puzzle Generator, which is a product that I'm an affiliate for. Now this is a platform called WarriorPlus. I talk about WarriorPlus and how to get started, link in the description for those videos if you haven't seen those yet and you want to understand and know what WarriorPlus is. But what I wanted to show you here is the earnings of $200.63 from this one product, and you can see there it was based upon 12 sales. Now these 12 sales all came from one video from one small channel. And I'm going to show you that channel right now and that video and show you the exact process on how you could set this up for yourself and do it for free. So here is the small YouTube channel. This is called Publisher Report. This is all about self-publishing. An Instant Puzzle Generator is a tool to build puzzles, and you could sell them on Amazon using Amazon KDP, or you could sell them as printables, but all that is not the point. The point is this one video that you see right here with 254 views that I did 3 months ago. Now we'll take a look at that video, and as you can see right here, this is me on the screen, and of course, putting a video on YouTube is absolutely free. You will need to be able to video yourself, which you could use your phone or a webcam. You'll also, if you follow what I'm doing here, like I did in this video, you'll need to record your screen, and there's software such as Screencast-O-Matic that you can make a 15-minute screen recording for free as well. So then what you do is you make the video, and in the video you actually demonstrate the product. As you can see right here, this is me demonstrating how the product works, showing the features and talking about the benefits of the product and why someone would want to buy it that's interested in creating these types of puzzles and selling them on Amazon. And then I have a link down here that you can see is hosted on GroovePages. If you simply click on that, that takes you to what is called a bonus page or a bridge page, and you can see here that I have the video, and then I have some information about Instant Puzzle Generator. I also included some bonuses and a buy now button. If you look down in the left hand corner, you'll see the link to WarriorPlus, and you'll see that it says bonus. This identifies where this traffic comes from. It comes from the bonus page, which is only linked on this video. And then when someone clicks on the buy now button, it takes them over to the sales page, where they'll see the sales page, and they'll have a button here to grab a copy of the software, and that is where you earn the commission. So work your way backwards from the sales page, which is the vendor that is selling a product over on WarriorPlus. You apply, you become an affiliate. Again, link in the description to show you and talk about exactly how to do that. Again, no cost to you. You build a squeeze page using GroovePages, or in this case, a bonus page using GroovePages. Link in the description to grab your free account to build your free bonus pages. And then again, you make a video and you post it on YouTube, which is free traffic, talking about the benefits and showing the features of the software, and then adding a link to that bonus page with your affiliate link. And again, you see that this video had 254 views as of shooting this video right now. This video was posted August 28th. The video you're watching right now is December 8th, 2020. And you'll see right here at the time of this recording as well, Publisher Report, my secondary channel, still only has 166 subscribers, a small channel, but you can see that I was able to actually make money from a channel with 166 subscribers, actually less than that. And again, you see the results right here, $263 from one video from a small channel using free YouTube traffic, a bonus page that you can easily create with a free GroovePages account or GrooveFunnels account using GroovePages, again, all free, and using a screen recorder such as Screencast-O-Matic, using the WarriorPlus marketplace, again, which is all free. So again, check out all the links in the description, which also include a training that show you more in depth of exactly how to do this step by step. Be sure to check that out, and if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.